Hello traders, how are you? Vladimir here, and in this video I want to talk about some experience that we all, or at least most of us, will later or sooner go through, and I'm talking about blowing our Forex account. And believe it or not, I record this video right now after I blew up my trading account. Wow, it's a shocking news. But here, before I explain the whole situation, I just want to say that's not my living trading account. That's not trading account I trade for living. This is one of my small accounts that I allow myself to be very aggressive. And yes, I blew one of them. Why? How? Why does it happen? And what does it mean to have an aggressive trading account? So the way I trade, it's very simple. I am one of these people that need to take out sort of my love to gamble, my aggression. I can't just sit and do right, like 9 to 5, 9 to 4, just go there and do nothing else besides like printing. It was never me. This is why I'm in the world of trading, okay? Because I'm not someone who just can sit and learn or work like in full concentration. And I'm pretty sure that if I would do some tests, I would be one of these hyper people who have hard time to concentrate and focus in times. However, I took it as advantage, meaning I understand who I am. I know who I am. I've been going through so many things that I know my personality in real life and in trading. And it's pretty much the same person, because whatever I do in real life, later or sooner I'll do in trading as well. So after in a long time ago past, you probably know my story. It was very unfortunate. I lost some money of my parents that they were saving for me to go and to get my degree in the university. Long story short, it was probably the hardest experience I had to go through in trading. This is the moment where I started to grow up as a trader. At some point, I reached a level where I am trading for living, and I cannot allow myself to risk the money I live for, my savings, because this is my top responsibility. This is my maximum responsibility. I cannot allow to go left or right, or slide of my trading plan here and my risk management plan in this account, because this is how I deliver to my family. Straightforward, very simple. But on the other hand, I am one of these people, as I said at the beginning, who need to go and to gamble a little bit, who needs and to try to be aggressive, who needs to have fun, or sometimes just the adrenaline is in me. It's the fire is in me, and it's always like that in everything I do in life. And I have to make sure I allow myself to have fun. It's same for me in working out. I have my working out plan. I have my my nutrition plan. I know where I'm heading, but I cannot. And again, it's just me. But I cannot allow myself to just be super clean every single day without having sometimes fun, So same for me with trading. So once I realized who I am and how does it work, what I do, and this is one of the things I would like to discuss, and also maybe give some sort of suggestion. If you are a person like myself in the personality, then maybe this is something for you to consider. I have my living account where I am like a robot. I close my eyes, I close my ears, and I just work super clean. But I do allow myself have fun. Scalp when I'm free, go aggressive sometimes. What does it mean to be to have fun? For me, it means take money I can risk. It could be, it doesn't matter the numbers, right? For everyone is different. It could be $100, it could be $50, it could be $10 or $1,000. It doesn't matter. But this is what I call a bonus. It's either I triple that or more, or I lose it, or I blow it. And this is where I go aggressive. What does it mean? I use the leverage, which is a drug. Those of you who follow me know how much I'm against leverage in trading for a living. I always talk about negative leverage. Never use the maximum allowed because it's a drug. But in my aggressive accounts, these accounts that I allow myself since the very beginning, right? Very conscious way, I allow myself to blow this money because this is my fun account. Either it's going to triple itself or 4 times or 5 times, maybe even 10 times, who knows, or I'm gonna lose. And what happened now, eventually I lost. I was going well in this account, but some wrong aggressive attacks cost me big time. And this big time means blow account. And this is a subject I want to bring. Try to separate, because most traders, what they do the same in one account, which is very unfortunate. You start well, you go well, like, straightforward to the target, but then one bad day or one bad week or one bad month take you out of your path, out of your route, and you find yourself dealing with emotions, but not the good emotions, the negative emotions that cause you just to make more and more and more and more and more mistakes and keep digging your hole deeper and deeper and deeper. And one of the most important things is when you find yourself in a hole, stop digging. First of all, stop digging and then find a solution. And that's what people don't do. They put everything in one account and then they blow account after account after account. So my suggestions personally is, first of all, make a separation, clear separation that you can respect, okay? And if you are anything like me in your personality, and you also love to gamble, and you also love to take risks, and you also like to try to go big, there is nothing wrong with that, but separate. Make yourself 1 or 2 accounts where you are as clean as, a laundry liquid. Be the cleanest you can, okay? And respect it, because in this, like in work, you go to work, you deliver the best you can. I hope so. I hope for your boss, huh? And you go home for your family and you deliver, but you allow yourself, when you go out with your friends, to enjoy a beer, okay? But you will never do that next to your kids, for example, okay? And if my metaphor don't make any sense to you, then think about some different metaphor. But what I'm saying here is, be the cleanest you can in your main trading account or accounts. But at the same time, money you can allow yourself to risk, and everyone is different. For someone, $10 is a lot. For someone, $1,000 is fun. So whatever is your situation, but allow yourself to try things, try strategies, try different methods, try to go aggressive, try to gamble. Sometimes the market is so volatile that there will be no technical setup, okay? Like for me, for example, the last week or so, very tricky to find clear setups with my manual trading techniques. Most of the time, the market is there, technical, but sometimes now with all the things happening with the war and everything, it's not the case. So for my living, I have nothing to do. Okay, I'm just waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. Things will eventually build up, but that could take a week, that could take 2 weeks, maybe more. I don't know. But the most important thing is I don't chase. But on the other hand, I'm here, I'm working, I'm doing anyway my business, I'm trading anyway, right? I'm looking for the opportunities anyway. I will allow myself to try, because the volatility can work. It can, of course, make me fail, which happened this time, but it also could make me deliver much more. Okay, and that's the risks I allow myself to take. And this is exactly the reason why I wanted to record this video. So first of all, when you blow your account, and if you blow your account, don't feel weird. It's okay. It's part of growing, it's part of improving, it's part of learning, it's part of developing you as a trader. Okay, remember, when you go to gym and you push, sometimes the weights would fall on you, sometimes your shoulder will cheat on you, and you would get injured. Some things happen. Learn from that, learn what's going wrong, and improve for the next time. But when it comes to trading, make this separation. That's why I record this video, to try and to deliver you this message. Make a separation on the account that you dedicate yourself to real trading, where you are looking to really improve your trading skills. Be clean, 100% clean. But at the moment you feel that, I have to cheat, I have to do something, I have to go aggressive. You know, everyone has these days. Everyone. I don't believe in people that just, you know, straightforward for lifetime. Everyone has a day where they want to just go naughty, right? So take this desire, take this fire, take this wish and willings to go aggressive on market. In money, you can allow yourself to risk, but mainly not, and I repeat, not ever in your main account, where you have to be clear. Okay, it's super important, and I hope I managed to deliver this message. And my friends, yes, even me, sometimes it happens, and last time it happened was actually over than a year ago. Yeah, I also blow accounts, but I allow myself to do that with money. I allow myself to lose money that I know since I start an account, that it's either going triple, 5 times, 10 times more, or I lose. I'm totally fine with that. That's my fun. This is how I never feel this willing to cheat on my main money, because I'm having my fun, you know, like a beer out, something you never will do when you drive. I hope so. And something you'll never do with your kids, right? But when you are out with your friends, or you're watching some UFC night, or you're watching some basketball or whatever, you allow yourself to go on a beer. So what? Right? So same as trading. Everyone has these days that you need to make things happen. Allow yourself, but don't cheat yourself. Treat yourself. It's very important thing to understand. Never cheat yourself. Treat yourself. How? By allowing yourself to have the fun. In money, you can allow yourself to risk, and never in money that is dedicated for real-time trading and trading for living. So that's the message of this video, and I hope I managed to explain my point of view. If you are able to go clean all the time without willing to cheat, I salute you, and hats off, of course, and big thumbs up. But I wanted to send this message to everyone who is a little bit or more like myself, and has this inner fire, and has this need to gamble sometimes, and to go aggressive sometimes. So I wanted to explain how I do that, why I do that. And yes, sometimes it costs, like it happened now. But this is something I allow myself, and I understand the purpose of that since the very, very, very beginning. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Let me know, what do you think about the whole subject of blowing accounts, and what was your experience with blowing accounts, and what did it cost you to reach the level of becoming successful traders? Share in the comment section below the video, and I'll be more than happy to read your story. And I'm sure the other viewers in this video would enjoy from your input and your story, and they will find it motivational to their own trading journey. Thanks for your time watching this video. I'll see you soon with many more great content. As always, take care, stay safe, be healthy. Bye for now.